Hey,
Hey, what's up, guys? Hello, everyone. So for today, we will be doing
Hello.
the assignment 5
Hello.
for our operating system concept. So we will start from introduction. So my name is Muhammad Shahid Takidam Nizam, and my ID is CS010852228. And then I will proceed to Muiz.
So my name is Muiz Wajidi bin Muhammad Yazid, and my student ID is SN01085239. And the next one would be Afiq.
Hello, my name is Hafiz Zafran and my ID is CS010846671. The next one will be DJ Daniel Johan.
Alright. My name is Daniel Jahambi Ahmad and my student ID is CS01085391. And on to shot.
Oh shit.
Oh,
My name is Sean Fendifre. My student ID is CS01084715, and I want to go to bed.
okay.
Okay,
You shall
so
not
now
go to bed.
we will
You
start
shall
with the
not go to bed.
multiple choice questions.
Start from
for the
question two.
For the first question.
so we will proceed for the second question since the first question we already done it before. So for the second
Remove it.
question, what is
Remove
the
it.
main function of input-output management in an operating system? So
What's the
the
main
answer is B, to control data transfer between the system and external devices.
Alright. For question 3, which of the following I/O techniques allows data to be transferred directly between an I/O device and memory, minimizing CPU involvement? That would be C, direct memory access. Because
For
you're
number
accessing the memory
4,
directly.
in this scheduling, which algorithm selects the request that requires the least movement of the disk arm? The answer is going to be B, shortest seek time first.
For the fifth question, what is the primary purpose of file management system? The answer would be B, organizing and storing file efficiently.
And for question number 6, which of the following is not a basic file operation? The answer is C, encrypt.
You
So
cannot
for
encrypt a
question
file.
7, which file organization method arrange records in a key index manner for efficient searching? So the answer is B, index sequential file. And moving on to the question 8, which file allocation method is prone to both internal and external fragmentation? The answer is C, contiguous allocation. And for the last question 9, for question 9, in a tree structure directory files, the answer is C, can be organized into subdirectories. So moving on to the fill in the
Please.
blanks.
Alright, for the fill in the blanks, the first question is the blank technique in I/O management allows multiple buffers to be used in a circular manner to keep up with the process execution. The blank would be circular buffer.
For the second question, blank time is the time required for the disk arm to move to the desired track. And the answer would be seek.
And for question number 3, the blank algorithm moves the disk arm back and forth across the disk, servicing requests in one direction before reversing. That would be the C scan.
Okay, for the first question, since did a lot of blanks, so the six basic file operation is included six blank. Is it six blank?
Yeah,
Six
six
blank.
blank.
Okay.
That's
Yes,
Okay.
Six
blank.
blanks.
I already said it's six blank. I just not confident. So the
Wow.
first
It's
one
okay, we
is
know.
create.
Wow.
So the first one is create, write, read, open, close, and the last one will be deleted.
Open.
Okay, so
Wait,
question.
Open,
Okay,
close,
sorry.
wait.
close, close,
Close.
Open,
And
close.
delete,
wait, what's that answer?
deleted,
Delete. Okay.
delete.
Mm-hmm.
Delete.
Wingus. Wingus boingus.
Bringus.
Number 5.
Okay, so for question 5th, blank stores files in a single continuous block on the disk. So the answer is contiguous allocation.
Go for number
Yes,
6.
Okay.
Contiguous allocation. All right, for number
Contiguous
6,
Yes,
blank maintains information about files, including attributes,
what's-
location, and ownership. That would be file directory.
Wait, what's this color? I can't find
Uh,
it.
Dark blue.
What do you mean?
This one? No, not this one.
No. Did Boo just pick a
I
color
just
and then lost
picked the
it?
brightest blue. No, because never mind. I don't want to explain it.
Wow.
no worries. Any color is fine. Let's make it rainbow.
Rainbow.
Wow, rainbow.
Wow, Shahid.
What, like Assignment
wow.
3?
You want to say
Okay, I
something?
think this blue is
What?
fine.
It's a rainbow, bro.
You want to say
Okay.
something?
You wanna say something to the crowd?
No.
For
You
number
wanna
6,
come out of the
it's,
closet?
file directory.
I know you're one of those. Okay, question
One
number
of-
6.
What?
Oh.
A blank maintains information about files, including attributes, location, and ownership. That would be file directory. Anyway, Shahid, you want to say anything for yourself?
Never
I'm
mind.
sorry,
We're
guys.
gonna move on.
No,
Question
I mean,
number 7.
it's just a rainbow thing.
You go ahead.
Rainbow. This remind me of the game Rainbow Six Siege.
No. You
Yeah.
will not
A
spread
blank
your
allows
Guys.
quick
propaganda
searches
here.
by indexing specific
my
fields.
goodness.
That would be indexed
I don't
file
know.
organization.
Yeah. And for the last one, blank define the permissions granted to different users for file operations. Alright, together now, what is the answer?
Access.
Access
Access
right.
rights.
Human
SSD9.
rights.
Sus.
You-
Anyways, I'm not gay,
Access
okay?
rights.
Wow, you are. I'm sorry.
No, I'm not, bro.
Moving on to
apologize,
the matching
Alright,
question.
for matching questions.
And for the matching question, the one that I
There's
love
a
so
mosquito
much
crawl.
and I hate so
There's a
much. Let's
mosquito.
go. I'm about to get mixed feeling from this question.
Come on,
Okay.
just
Would you like to
just
feel
go
earlier?
on.
Okay, matching questions. For match the following input output concepts with their descriptions. So the first one, program input output. So the description will be
it's
CPU
lagging.
actively waits for input output completion. The second last one.
What color you want it to be, boy?
Second
Oh
class?
my
Second class, yes. Any color lah, any color. I don't
Any
mind.
color.
Alright.
Black.
For in
Oh my god.
Oh my god. For interrupt driven IO, that would be the CPU is interrupted when input output completes. Please make it piss yellow. Please make it
It's yellow.
piss yellow.
While he's doing
Okay,
that, direct
that's what we
memory
mean.
access or DMA is
Okay, that's a bit hard to see.
Yeah.
What?
This one is okay.
DMA is transfers data directly between
Yeah.
memory and device.
Any color.
White.
Just pick the team
What?
color lah, the
But
team color.
white.
The team color.
You can't see it.
That's the point. White.
Okay. I'm just not gonna do that then. You'll take orange. Yeah. Then that will be the first one, right? So for this cache, it would be buffer storing frequently accessed disk setters.
And
for the
For
last
the last one is a sick time.
Yeah.
Is description is time taken for the disk head to reach the desired track. What color?
Amazing.
What color is
It's okay,
that?
I'll pick one for you.
This
What color is that?
match.
It's like a maroon.
Okay, so match the following file management terms with their definition. So the first one is file
Yeah.
allocation table. So the definition will be data structure used to track file allocation. The third one,
Okay. And for index allocation, that would be okay. Use an index to allocate file blocks.
Yes, that one. Okay, since it already give a clue, so we already know it is an index. Using an index. Contiguous allocation.
Next one.
No one wants to
contiguous
continue.
allocation. Contiguous allocation. Is it gonna be group or store?
Store.
Store.
Okay.
Stores.
So contiguous, it stores.
Hmm.
Yeah.
The other ones don't fit as
The keyword is
Mm,
sequentially.
Alright, for
Yeah.
linked
Distinguish.
allocation, that would be uses pointers to connect file blocks. I'm going through PTSD hearing pointers. C++.
And for the last term, record blocking, it will be group records into blocks for efficient I/O. It's literally
And we're
in the
done.
definition, blocks.
So we're
Blocks.
done for the
Go block.
magic question. And now moving on to the subjective questions.
Oh
So-
boy, yo.
Oh boy, there's a lot
So-
of these.
So for question 1, there are 3 categories of input and input-output device: human readable, machine readable, and communication. Explain and give one example of input-output device for each category. Okay, so
Machine readable and communication. So explain. What is human readable?
okay,
Alright,
so for
so-
human readable, it
Okay.
is communicating with the computer user. Communicating with
communication.
the computer
So-
user.
Hey, computer user. Okay. Wait, I use my laptop keeper.
Okay, so
Alright.
so the example we can give is printer or mouse or
HID.
keyboard.
It's one example only, right? So you can just take
Oh, yeah.
printer.
Just stick
We
with
just give the
the
printer one.
Okay. How about
And
for
then
machine readable?
and then
Alright.
mission readable will be communicating with
Electronic
electronical
equipment.
electronical
With what?
Electronic equipment.
electronic equipment, sorry.
A lot.
Why did you
Electronical.
say electronical? That doesn't count.
Electronic
sorry,
equipment.
sorry.
Electronical. I don't
And the
even think that's a
example?
word.
So the
I don't think that's a
example
word either.
will be like disk drive,
Pick one. Pick
Oh.
one.
disk drive.
What do you mean pick one?
And
Okay.
give one example. It only says one.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the communication will be communicating with remote devices.
And the example?
So the example will be modem.
Does anyone even know what a modem is anymore?
All I know is
Yeah,
It's
modern.
kind of outdated.
Wow. Am I the only
I
one
think
that
modem
has
is
worked with modems before when I was younger? Man.
no. I think modem is like Wi-Fi, right? It's like
Yeah.
I like crayon.
Why crayon?
Okay,
though?
US Marine.
I like eating Elmer's glue.
Real. Alright, so for question 2, explain 3 techniques on performing input and output. So the first one would be programmed I/O. The second one would be interrupt driven input output. And the last one would be jang 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 direct memory access or DMA.
Oh, so spooky. I
Wow.
almost peed my pants.
This
What?
this time is you're gonna to
what?
explain on.
I
Oh,
About
still
this
have to
thing,
explain. It's in the
I think we need because
it's in the
it's in
You
question.
the
have to-
question.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so for programmed I/O, it's where the processor issues I/O commands on behalf of a process to the I/O module.
Audio.
Yeah. For interrupt driven, the processor is interrupted when an I/O complete. Right, who wants to take the last one?
Uh,
I mean,
I-
okay.
okay. Afiq, go.
The DMA module control data exchange between the main memory and I/O module.
Again, please.
Uh,
Like-
and DMA module control data exchange between main memory and I/O module. Between main memory and I/O module. Yeah.
All right.
I'll
Question 3. Sean, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So for
Shortest-
question 3,
Shawnee.
a system is never say that name again.
All
A
right, I'm
system
sorry.
is experiencing high seek time due to random disk access requests. Question: which disk scheduling algorithm would help minimize seek time, and why? So, scheduling algorithm would be shortest service time first. Shortest service time first. SSTF.
Should
yeah.
be seek time or service time?
Is it service time or is it seek time?
Wait, let me check.
Service
It
shortest
says
service time.
seek.
I think it's
Service.
seek time, right?
Anybody want to fact check me on that?
Okay,
Over here.
No,
okay,
it says
okay,
shortest
let me
seek
check.
time first.
It's okay.
Seek.
Yeah, shortest seek time first.
Okay.
Yeah, shortest seek time first. Okay.
Seek.
And the why?
Because God, I'm remembering
Because?
all the other ones first. Wow. Because it will select requests. Because it will select requests
Request.
as that have no requests as
It's
requests
okay.
with an S.
Okay.
Yes.
Well,
That have the minimum seek time first. Minimum seek time first.
yeah.
Request.
Ease.
Yeah, that should be below this one.
I'm gonna fact check this. Hold on. We're here.
Yeah.
Fetch. Nope. That's
Yeah.
it. That's it for question 3.
Okay.
All right, who wants to take question 4?
I'll come back to you if there's anything wrong with the answer. Hold on.
Okay.
Very
I'll
well.
take question 4 then.
All right.
A system is using first in first out disk scheduling, but some processes experience long wait times for disk access. Which alternative scheduling method can ensure fair access while improving efficiency? I think we can choose the same one. Shortest seek time first.
It's not shortest seek time first, by the way. It's
Is
shortest
it-
service time first.
It should be service time. Okay.
Go up to the matching questions. Is there
Wait,
matching?
wait, matching
No,
questions.
But yeah,
Is there?
There's no.
no.
Okay, so yeah.
But
no,
when I
it's
Google, it
shortest
says
service time first for IO.
Oh, it's service.
Apparently.
Wait.
Oh really? Yeah.
Wait.
I think
Because I
it's
searched
C.
on the
Because
Yeah.
just on the
You
Google
used
it said
seek
the
before, right?
shortest seek time. Shortest seek.
it's okay. I think both is correct anyway.
Nah.
Both are probably
sana.
the same, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
think
yeah, okay.
it-
I'll check
because-
back.
It always choose minimum seek time.
Scheduling algorithm.
Mm.
Because it chooses the minimum seek time. Why would it be the shortest service? Okay.
I don't know.
So it can also.
I'm getting
Move
my
efficiently.
topics mixed up again.
Yeah, I think the one before it was service time, but this one is a different topic.
Probably.
Is that movement? Okay, that would be it for question number 4.
Wait, so the question 5. Wait a minute, but you let's just say we
Yeah,
don't
question
have
5 is
to
Yeah.
do this question.
So
That's
the-
question 5
normally-
is good. Yeah.
it get
Yeah,
limited.
page faults. We've done this before in another
Okay.
assignment.
We can just line
Alright.
this right.
Page faults.
Actually, most of the MCQs were in the
So for the
quiz.
question 6.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, but it wasn't in the exercises.
All right.
Question
Question 6.
A university store students record
University.
the university store students records, including names, IDs, and grade. The record need to be accessed quickly based on student IDs. Which file organization method should be used, and why? So the answer would be index sequential file organization. Whoa, that's capital letter.
File organization.
File organization.
And why?
Is to allow fast searching using index.
Okay.
So,
Question number 7. Anyone?
so moving on to the question 7. A company has multiple users accessing and modifying a shared financial file. What access control mechanisms should be implemented to ensure security and integrity? So the first one is file locking mechanism, and file locking mechanism is
What? And then?
it must have encryption.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. For question number 8. The system administrator needs to optimize disk space and minimize fragmentation. Which file should they choose and why? Like minimize, to minimize all of those, we can use indexed allocation with variable size portion, because it can allocate by block elimination. Next, by block eliminate external fragmentation. And it can also allocate variable size portion to improve locality. Okay.
For the question 9, a software application read and process large file sequentially. File organization method is most suitable for this case. Which file is it? It's sequential file organization.
All right.
Oh, I'll
Question
take
10.
this.
Splitting law.
DJ, it's okay.
Oh,
I see. I
Alright.
see this.
Can I take
d-
class of users?
I mean, you can take the half.
Yeah, you can take class of users.
Yeah,
I'll-
I'm pretty familiar with this.
No.
So for access rights for number 1,
Mm,
we have none.
Wow, no access. No.
That's
Nobody.
No.
So for number
Yes.
2, we're just naming them first. Name and then we explain. Why is it 3?
I don't know. Wait,
This is
Why is
what?
it 3?
what happened?
What happened?
It-
Black magic.
Oh no! What is that?
Whoa.
I'll just use dash then. Okay.
Okay.
None. Knowledge. Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Yeah.
Next one will be execution. Next one will be reading.
Oh,
Whoa.
okay.
Appending.
No, it's my snap tab. Okay. Wait, what?
Appending.
Appending.
Yes.
shit, use the
There you go.
dollar.
Yep. There you go. And updating.
Same thing.
Changing
Changing.
protection.
And deletion.
Changing protection.
And then
Okay.
lastly, that's 8, right? How many is that?
Yeah.
1, 2,
That should be the last one.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Deletion.
Oh,
I can't count for the life of me.
no. Oh,
So for none, users are not allowed to read. So for knowledge, users know of the file existence. Its comma, its owner, and petition for additional rights to the owner.
Petition.
Yes, petition. Yep, there you go. Additional rights to the owner. They shouldn't have rights.
Yeah.
Anyway, for execution, users can load and execute, but cannot copy. So for reading, users can read, copy, and execute. And for appending, users can add data, but cannot modify or delete. Cannot modify or delete. For updating, user can modify, delete, and add data. For changing protection now, users can change access rights. Users can change access rights, grants to others. And for the last one of access rights, dear God, users can delete file, from the file system. Dear God. DJ, take over.
I swear, I swear. I
So,
hope this question
For the
doesn't
classes
give
of
an
users,
final
there are
answer.
4. The owner,
Oh, God.
the specific user, the user groups, and all. User groups.
Yeah.
All.
All.
All. Alright, so
All.
for owner, the owner is the creator, has full
Okay.
rights, and may grant rights to others. Rights to others. Alright, so for the specific user, individual users who are designated by user ID. So basically unique users. So for user groups, these are set of users who aren't individually defined. And for the last one, all are users who have access to the system and public files. That's it.
I just hope this question doesn't give us indefinitely.
Whoa.
True.
Yeah. 14,
All right.
12 lines for 6 marks. Yeah, that's not fair.
Only for 6 marks? Whoa. Bro, this is crazy.
Yikes.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. Okay.
Move on to 11.
Anyone?
7-Eleven.
All right. Who wants to take 11? Oh, dear God.
Shahid.
So
What is it?
for the question 11, describe the role of file directories in the file management system and how they facilitate file organization and access.
Facilitate.
Facilitate. Sorry. Okay. So for the first one is for file organization. It needs to be organized file systematically.
What?
It needs to organize
Wait.
file systematically.
Okay.
Okay, and then the second point, is /1. Okay, it's allowing. Allow facilitated
Hello.
Facilitate-
efficient
allows
searching.
Facilitate.
facilitate efficient searching.
Okay.
Okay, and then the second one will be
Okay.
the second one will be file information and metadata storing. Metadata storing, and then the point will be info like attributes, location, and ownership. Help search file efficiently and to support access control. Yeah, and then the second point will be use the director schemes. I don't know how to pronounce this.
That's right.
Okay, and then there will be two director scheme we will be using, which is 2-level scheme and also 3 structure directory.
Three.
Three. Yeah.
Pokok.
Okay.
Pokok.
We all
Menacam
love
dalam
pokok.
seluruh.
Huh? Oh,
What the hell?
What?
Okay.
tukar P dengan R.
Alright, for the last question, yay!
Afiq,
Afiq,
do the honors.
Afiq, do the honors for the last question.
Oh,
Brian.
last. It's already last, huh?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no,
Last
he says.
question. So the last question is to explain the concept of record blocking and its impact on the file system performance. So okay. So the answer would be a method of organizing record for the I/O operation. with a secondary storage in a block unit. Secondary storage in a block unit.
Okay, and its impact.
So the impact is so no one wait. The impact is so one track in the disk can fit one block instead of one record. Is this can fit one block, one instead of one record.
Wait, I think this is not the impact yet, right? Okay, this one should be the impact.
Eh?
No, that's right. Okay, continue.
So it's for to improve storage efficiency. And also with one read
Wait.
can get many storage. So it will reduce the IO operation. It will reduce IO operation. Yeah. But to read one block, it may cause latency.
Yeah. It may.
Latency.
Latency.
What?
Oh,
Latency.
Because
Yeah,
it's a
it may-
block. It's no longer loose files.
Yeah, it may cause. Yeah.
Me, might, okay.
May, might. What does it matter anymore,
So-
bro?
That's the end of the subjective
That's
questions.
the end of the subjective questions. Now, this video will be recorded in 2 blocks. So
Two blocks?
Hey, stop.
Blocks.
Stop. This is not record blocking. No. So there may be a slight, difference in time and all that. All right, moving on. We'll see you, sir, in the algorithm questions. I'm not saying transition. No, I'm not doing it again.
2 cups,
Transition.
2 cups.
2 blocks. Okay.
2 blocks, 2 cups. Aye.
Okay, transition.
One cup? Alamak.
Hello everybody. So we will be moving on to the algorithm questions. So for question 1, figure below shows a disk track request 154, 66, and then so on. Assuming that the last request is at track 130 and the head is moving in the direction of decreasing track number. Perform an analysis and find out the average seek length for each of the these scheduling algorithms below. A. FIFO, B. SSTF, C. Scan, and D. CS scan.
Okay, so for A, we're gonna start with FIFO. That is first in, first out. So for FIFO, we just have to list all the tracks based on the question's sequence. So the first should be 100, and then 54, and then 66, 77, 103, 152, 45, 138, 27, and
And then-
93. Okay, who's gonna start on the first line?
Okay,
The-
so to get the first length, we need to take so the last request is currently at track 130. So to get the length, it's current track minus the previous track. So track 130 minus the current track, which is 100. So we get a length 30.
Okay,
Same for the next. So the next track is 54. So 100 minus 54 is 46.
Right.
The next stop is, oh my god, I can't see. It's 66. So what is it? 66 minus 54, which is 12. Wait, 6, 4.
Yes.
Yeah,
12.
that's well.
And then next up, the track is at 77. So 77 minus 66, 11, the length. After that is 103. So same as before, 103 minus the previous one, which is 77. And you get 7, 3, 1, 26. And
then
again,
moving on,
moving
and then
on,
moving on to
152.
the 152 minus with 103, we will get 49. 49, yes. And then we will proceed
Validate this, man.
again. And then we will proceed again. And then 154 minus with 45, we will get 100. 107.
Okay. Plus 3.
Okay. And then
Okay, so for the next one, 138. So we minus with the previous track, so it's 45. So that should get you 93. And the next one, 138 minus 27. That's it, easy maths. 11, 111. So 93 minus 27 would be 66. And the average seek time,
Can-
seek length,
okay.
I'm sorry,
Okay, wait,
would
wait,
be
let me
Yeah,
use my
can-
calculator. Hold on.
would
Validate
be,
this.
Validation.
to add up all of the length. So 30 plus 46 plus 12 plus 11 plus 26 plus 59 plus 107 plus
93,
93 plus
111,
111 plus 66.
and
Okay,
divide by the length, which is 10.
divide by the amount of length. Okay. So anyone with the
Hold
answer?
on.
John. Go, John.
My phone is not a reliable calculator. It really is not. Hold on.
Can you do the function? Okay. Sean,
551 divided by 10.
very good.
So 55.1.
Mhm.
Okay. So that would be the answer for first in, first out. So next we're going to continue with SSTF, which would stand for shortest seek time first. So this one is a little bit tricky. We need to know that the last request is at track 130. So we need to find the track that is closest to 130. So in this case, it would be 138. And the next closest one, based on what we can see here, is 152,
52.
which is only 22 difference. And then it would
Yes,
be 103
103.
with 28, 27 difference. And then it would, it would just decrease until the
93.
decrease amount.
Yeah.
7.
66,
66.
54, 45.
512.
Okay. Wait, did I miss anything? Oh, 100. Okay.
Yeah, you missed 100.
93.
93.
Yes.
77,
Mm-hmm.
66,
66,
54,
66, 54,
45,
and then
45, and then
45,
27.
and then
27.
27.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
So you have to minus the 130 minus 8, right?
Minus
So
138, yeah.
Yeah.
138, yeah.
Yeah.
okay, so that we get 8.
And then
So-
152 minus with 138 with the previous one will be
14.
14.
Yep, 14.
Next one would be 3. Just 3.
Wait,
What? No.
that's definitely
Wait,
not
wait,
3.
one on
That
Yeah,
is
so-
definitely not 3. That's
130.
49.
40.
Okay.
It's 49.
Yeah, this one will be 3.
So that one will be 3.
And then this one's 7.
27.
And this one?
7.
Uh,
50.
30.
No,
14.
wait, hold
No. 16.
Okay.
16.
Nice
Yeah,
acting.
16.
Okay.
Okay.
And then 11.
Okay.
The difference is 11.
Mhm.
And then
This one
12.
is 12.
54 is 12.
And then
This one
9.
is 9.
9.
The last one?
Yeah, last one.
45
Will be
18.
18.
18.
Okay.
Oh, it was
18.
18.
Is 9.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, and the last one would be
So again, we
18.
can
Okay.
add up all of the lengths.
I'm bringing my phone.
Yeah. Add out all the length and then divide by 10.
What if I don't? What if I
10
don't
tracks.
wanna?
3
Uh,
plus 7, 16,
uh,
11, 12.
Like a Python code to do this for you.
Do
Python.
I
Yeah,
do I
but-
get sent to democracy training
Perhaps.
if I don't do this?
My brother, you're sent to Mars.
I don't want to be sent to Malevolent Creek.
Oh boy.
Malevolent.
Zam,
147
we're doing Helldivers.
divided by 10.
We're doing Helldiver references in an assignment video now. Wow.
Malevolent chicken.
So that would get you
14.7.
14.7.
okay.
14.7.
We can bold this.
Oh no.
Bold it, highlight it.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh
that
no,
would be-
it's bold.
Bold.
Still? Yeah, that's better.
Oh,
Baller.
that's also a nice idea.
It's so bright.
Okay, so for C, that
Scan.
would be scan.
Mhm.
Scan is like an
Make the box
elevator.
black.
No, then we can see the number.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay.
You
So
should-
in the
An
question, it
elevator
says that
algorithm.
the head
Again.
is moving in direction of decreasing.
Yeah, it's descending.
Descending. Descending. It
that
is
means-
descending, right?
From
Yeah,
130,
If it's
we have
descending,
to.
we'll just keep
Wait,
descending lah.
Give Muiz to
Yeah.
explain, bro.
No, it's okay. It's a group word. Anyway. And 130, the one that is closest, that is less than 130, would be 103. So it would just continue to decrease. 93,
77,
77,
66,
66,
54, 45,
Just
27.
continue to
27.
decrease
then,
until the
just like-
condition it
Goes
just
just like
went up.
an elevator, it can only go up and down at one time. So after it go down, it can go up
Go up
until
It
100
starts
and
ascending the other side,
Yeah.
the other way.
to 138, and then the highest one,
Then
which is
one.
152. Anyone
Oh
want
my
to continue?
god.
Alright,
27.
so 130 minus
27.
So for
103,
this one, it just-
27.
The difference is
Mm.
27.
Yeah.
Mm.
And then 103
then
minus
three.
100, that's 3.
3.
3?
7.
And then
It's the same as
7.
the
93,
previous.
7. 93 minus 77,
16.
16.
And then
It's the
16.
same as this one, right?
Yeah, it's right
Ah.
there.
Yeah,
it's
it's
literally
right
right there.
Just copy.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the
Okay.
same.
So this
And
one?
then from
And
there,
then
that's
the
quite a big
difference
gap.
is
It's
101.
11. 3 minus 2, 8 minus 7, 11.
11.
111. 111.
Plus 1?
And then 14.
152, 152.
14.
14, yeah.
14, yeah.
Okay.
12 minus 8.
Again,
4
we
minus 3.
have to count the average.
Yeah.
We need to.
Oh no.
No.
27
Come on,
Come
Sean.
on,
plus
come on, Sean.
30.
I- Why am
Plus
I using
3,
my
30,
phone?
37.
Oh, yeah, calculator.
37. 46.
My calculator has been
46.
taken.
Got snatched, bro.
46,
Actually, yes.
57.
Oh, boy.
57.
So I'm forced to use my calculator on my phone right now.
Damn, no wonder, bro.
So 228 divided by 10.
Whoa. So
Big number.
22.8.
22.8.
Oh, that's quite
Yeah.
a long seek time. Damn.
Not bad.
Not bad, actually.
Yeah.
All right, next up
Okay.
for question D, it's C-scan.
C-scan.
Is it
Yeah.
the same concept?
It's
Yeah.
somewhat
Yeah.
the same. It's just that when you reach the end of the descending order, rather than, going up and then starting from the lowest one, it just goes to the highest one and then starts descending.
So we can just copy all of the
Right.
first
Yeah.
8.
It's just the two ending tracks are
last-
different.
And
Wait, so they
rather
just switch
than
positions?
going back to
Yeah.
rather than going to 138, we go up to 152 and then it descends to 138.
kind of like a
No.
circle.
Oh.
Yeah,
This
kinda like a
elevator's
circle.
broken.
Elevator is very broken.
Yeah, like a broken space.
Rather than
It
going back up, it
teleport.
does one full rotation.
Is teleporting. That's for sure.
When
Who has the length for
125?
this one?
125?
Oh, the
Hold
length.
on.
Okay.
Hold on. No, 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 no,
12
no, no, no.
minus
I
7.
don't trust myself.
You don't trust
N-
myself.
No, that's correct. That's correct.
Yo, 152
Okay, so how
minus
about
8.
this
See,
last
12
one?
Okay,
minus
yeah.
8 is 4, and then 4 minus 3 is 1, so it's 14.
14.
That's right. Okay. So
Yeah,
again, we have to
yeah.
find the
The
sequence.
average.
I think we can just copy this one. It's almost similar.
Almost.
Almost.
Oh,
So we change the
Yeah,
last
I
two
still- I
number,
still
which
need
is
to
1
do
to
this.
5 and
And
14.
14.
Yeah, that's the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sean.
27,
That
30,
would get
37.
us.
Relax. What do I look
242.
like? What do I look like to you, a chat GPT?
242.
You're hinting something. Okay.
9. Sig Heil.
Position.
Okay, bro.
It's
Sorry,
242,
wrong calculation.
isn't it? Isn't it?
Why do I have to?
242 divided by 10.
Okay.
242 divided
Was
by
it?
10.
By 10,
So it's
24.2.
24.2.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
All
that
right.
would be the end of question 1.
Next up, question
Nice.
2.
So question 2, unspan and span.
Who would
Wanna
like
read the
to
question first?
wanna read?
Okay, sorry. So for question 2, given a system using 128 byte blocks, calculate the percentage of wasted space in the blocks allocated for the file if it contains 50, 45, 55, 35, 10, 32, 60, and 33 records in each block. Percentage of wasted space equals to total wasted space divided by total block size. A. If a system using variable length, unspan blocking. And B. If a system using variable length span blocking.
Okay.
Span.
So for these kind of
Span.
questions, first we need to identify how many bytes are the blocks. So in this case, it's 128 bytes per block. Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, we can see the amount of wasted space in each block. We just list out them one by one. So 50, 45, 55, 55, And wait. And 32,
Oh, I can't crack my knuckles anymore.
60, and the last one is 33.
Yeah.
And yeah, we can put this in somewhat of a table. Okay. So based on the question, it contains 128 bytes per block. So the step to do is to add up sequence by sequence all the numbers. I mean, not all the numbers, like one by one, but until it reaches above 128. So we stop there. So for example, it's 50 plus 45. That would be 95. But if it adds up with another 55, that would give 140, which is actually more than 128. So we're going to start from 0 again. So 55, and then we add with 35. That would give us 90. And we add with 10 again. That would give us 100. But if we plus with 32, that would be 132, which is more than 128. So we just stop at 100 here. Anyone want to continue with the last three?
Okay, and then we started with 0 back, and then plus with 32, and then plus with 60 will be 92, and then plus with
Okay.
33 will become 125, if I'm not mistaken.
All right. Yeah.
Pull out the calculator.
We'll have to calculate it.
Someone needs to. Yeah.
I am calculator.
Calculator, man.
Yeah, 125.
Yep.
Come on, ChatGPT,
So
where are
it's
you?
within limit.
Hello?
I
That's
mean,
within
Sean
the limit of
GPT.
128.
Sean GPT.
And
I don't
next
like this.
we have to find out what is
No.
the utilized amount and the allocated amount, as well
All
as
right, I need to add these as well.
its waste
Ah,
Yes, you
Wasted.
do.
and the percentage of waste. Okay. So for utilized, we just have to add up the first row of numbers. Can someone do that for me?
yeah.
50 plus 45 is 95. 95.
You will not beat the ChatGPT.
100, 125, 225, 225 plus 95. No,
320.
9 plus
320.
2.
300
Damn.
and
You tried to beat a
300.
calculator.
I
Utilize
failed.
is 320.
I failed.
320.
320. Okay.
Mukakaka.
And the allocated
Wow.
would be the ones on the second row.
Yeah, let me calculate it. 100 plus 127. 320.
320 also.
Mm-hmm.
Yo.
Wait, no, not the second one, but all the max amount of bytes for 3 blocks. So it's 128 times 3. Sorry,
Oh
my
yeah,
bad.
it's because it's 1 to 8 per block.
Yeah, the allocated, yeah.
Wait,
I
Yeah,
see.
you
Not
allocated
the
128 per
30
block, but each
plus
of us
33.
of them is not using all of it.
Utilized.
Wait, what is it?
Sean, what's 1 to 8 times
320?
3?
Wait, hold on. 384.
384.
So I'm
Okay.
guessing waste is just allocated minus utilized.
That's
Yeah,
right.
64.
Yeah. 8 minus 2, yeah, 64.
Oh god, I need to.
Good job.
Oh, is that a
Sean
percentage?
GPT.
I see. I hate
That
those.
is a percentage.
I hate
Okay,
no.
that should
The
I'm not
formula is
doing
given
it.
in the
waste
question though.
I'm not doing
So,
it anymore.
divided by, yeah,
Yeah,
the
percentage
total
of
block
wasted space
size.
is totals wasted divided by the block size.
Waste divided by
block size.
by allocated.
Yeah.
Is it allocated or block size?
The block size is the total allocated, because the total allocated is the max amount of
16.7? 16.6.
Yeah,
Choose
it's
whichever
okay.
one. 16.6.
You can just 6.7, which is more accurate.
Okay.
Okay.
16.7.
And then we can continue with
Spanned blocking.
span
For
blocking.
B.
The span blocking.
So I can just copy here.
Yes, you can.
Wait, this is the same one.
Hey, you don't have
Oh,
to
it's
delete
another
the.
question.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Right.
there is one more question, John.
I thought I could put my phone down at least.
No. Oh.
No, not yet. Not yet, Sean GPT. Not
Anyone
yet,
wanna
Sean
explain?
GPT.
Oh boy. Oh,
Well,
what,
Mm.
dude?
aku sedih.
Okay.
Okay, so for span blocking, we have to add up all the numbers until it reaches the max for each block. So it's 128 max. So for example, 50, we add up with 45, there will be 95. And then we add up with 55, and it would reach max until 128 until it has like somewhat left over. We can just put 28, 128 right here. And yeah, someone want to calculate the leftover,
The leftover.
like for the first three numbers, and then
Gua
minus
nggak
128.
mau.
Oh,
22.
22. Okay.
22 left
we can
over.
just put 22 here, and then we can add up with 35. We can add up with 10.
22.
Can someone add
22
all
plus
these four numbers?
35, 57, 3, 57,
57,
67 plus
67,
32.
99.
90, what?
90 what?
99.
99.
Okay. 99. So
And then
if we add with
plus
60,
60.
and then we get the max, which is 128. How much would yeah,
Like
how much
How
would
much
it
was it
have?
just now?
160, so
99, right?
159.
159
159 minus 128.
One. Mm.
Huh?
30.
Wait, I'm confused.
Yeah.
31. Yeah, 31.
31. Wait, which is 31?
Which
Uh,
which
Wait.
because sebab dia kan
22,
lebih kan,
55.
lebih
We have
100.
to add all
calculator.
of
And
this until it reaches 128. And then the
128.
leftover of 60, we bring it forward. Okay,
Going
so
into the next cell.
31 lah.
31 here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, yeah.
22,
And then we add up
35,
with
10.
34, eh?
So 31 plus 33
60.
plus 60.
64.
Yeah, this one is 64, right? We have 31 plus 33.
Yes.
Yeah.
159 minus 128.
31 plus 33. 64.
So again, this
Hello.
one.
Oh, it's 31.
Wait,
Hmm?
what?
Okay.
Huh.
So
Yeah,
no,
we're good.
we
We're good.
just have to add up all
We're
of this and then we minus with
We're good, yeah.
128. So
Okay.
utilize once again is the addition
the
of
same,
the above
320.
numbers, which is
Is 300.
320.
Mm.
And
Yeah,
allocated
just-
is also the same, which is 384.
384. Waste.
And waste, yeah, waste is the same
How do
too.
you get waste? Oh,
We find the difference between allocated and utilized.
Yeah, it's the
I
same.
see.
Mm.
So the percentage?
The percentage would also be the same.
16.7.
Yeah.
Yeah,
67.
the same, I guess.
16.7.
Nice one.
Alright, so that's the end of this
Good
assignment.
question.
No. Oh, yeah. The
Oh.
end for this assignment. My bad. Sorry. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So that's all for today. Thank
That's
you
all for today.
so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for watching and teaching us this semester. This is the
Arigato
final
gozaimashita.
assignment. What?
This is the
Oh,
last assignment.
all right, everyone. Bye.
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 Bye.